Good morning students. Today I am here with determinants. Determinant is very important topic for class 12 board and competitions also. So I am going to explain the determinant. Let's start. Determinants. Definitions. Let A, B, C, D be any four numbers that is real or complex. The symbol A, B, C, D. This AD minus BC and is called a determinant of second order. A, B, C, D are called the elements of the determinant and AD minus BC is called its value. Operation on determinants. First, second and third rows of a determinant are denoted by R1, R2 and R3 respectively, and the first, second and the third column by C1, C2 and C3 respectively. The interchange of ith row and jth row is denoted by Ri interchange Rj, and the interchange of ith column and jth column is denoted by Ci Cj. Now we are going to discuss properties of determinant. So first property, the value of determinant is not change when rows are changed into corresponding कॉलम. मतलब डिटर्मिनेंट का वैल्यू चेंज नहीं करेगा अगर रो को उसके कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग कॉलम में चेंज किया जाता है. एज फॉर एग्जांपल A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, A3 B3 एंड C3. दिस इज R1 R2 एंड R3. ये A1 B1 C1 becomes here column A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, A2 B2 C2, A3 B3 C3, A3 B3 C3. Number 2. If any two rows or columns of a determinant are interchanged, the sign of the determinant changed, but its value remain the same as A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, A3 B3 and C3. Here R1 and R3 are interchanged, A3 B3 C3, A2 B2 C2, A1 B1 and C. So the value will remain same but the sign is changed. Number 3. The value of determinant is 0 if any two rows or columns of a determinant are identical. अगर किसी डिटर्मिनेंट के कोई दो रो या दो कॉलम अगर आइडेंटिकल हो जाए तो उसकी वैल्यू 0 हो जाती है. एज फॉर एग्जांपल A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, A1 B1 and C1. Here R1 and R3 are identical, so its value is 0. Number 4. If all the elements of the same rows or the same columns are multiplied by a certain number, then the determinant becomes multiplied by that number. M A1, M B1, M C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3 and C3. When M taking M is common from R1, this becomes A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3 and C3. Now let's take an example. Without expanding, prove that x plus y, y plus z, z plus x, z, x, y, 1, 1, 1 equal to 0. Solution. So here first operation is R1 tends to R1 plus R2. So it becomes x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z, z, x, y, 1, 1. Taking x plus y plus z common from R1, this becomes x plus y plus z, 1, 1, 1, z, x, y, 1, 1. Here R1 and R3 are identical, and we know that if any two rows or a column to determinants are identical, then its value is 0. Here R1 and R3 are identical, so its value becomes 0. Thanks students. In next video we will discuss some another problems.